So we're here at Crazy Pizza for the birthday girl, Mom Shitai, and we will see what we're gonna have in our plate. The reveal, mine is
The best in life.
you'll never know who you'll meet over a slice. Ay, ang taray. Ang sayo? The best things in life come in circles. Love, circle life. Ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo, Ma'am?
The secret to great pizza is sissy.
So we have truffle pizzas, we have Angus steaks, and some salads for the birthday of Ma'am Shiai. Sumptuous dinner here at Crazy Pizza in Catania, Italy. To try truffles pizza. I've tried risotto with truffles before, but this is my first time to try the pizza. Let me try. It tastes so good actually. The best talaga yung mga pagkain dito sa Sicily, even though yung mga pangmayaman, yung pang pobre, sobrang sarap. Even then yung sa fish market kanina, it was super nice. And this Angus beef is super soft. Pati yung truffles na to. Para for me ha, I've been to so many places. And bakla sa Malfi, hindi rin masarap ang pagkain. Sobrang mahal, hindi masarap, di ba?
Totoo yan.
Oo, totoo yan. Dito talaga iba. Kasi I've been to Rome, I've been to Milan. Dito talaga sa Sicily ang masarap ang pagkain. Even sa Sardinia, parang hindi ko compare ang Sardinia sa pagkain. Sicily talaga. Even yung frutti di mare, because I've eaten frutti di mare in Milan or in Florence or everywhere, iba ang frutti di mare dito.
Ako natikman ko frutti di mare na sarap sa sa Norway.
Ay po, taba paano napunta sa Norway?
No, pero ang sarap nun. Yung sa frutti di mare.
Actually, mine was in Portugal, in Lisbon. Pero comparable sa mga always Sicily talaga. Sarap ng lapang. We all agree, guys, we all agree that when we travel, the best things about traveling are food, men, and the places. Pero ano ang sa'yo, ang ranking? Lalaki, food, or lugar?
Ako
Place muna nauna.
place.
Parang baliktad dapat sa'yo, Mi. Parang nauuna sa'yo dapat ang alis. ang Menchu, Emika, ikaw Ma'am si Yoshna.
Last ko ang mention.
What's the priority when traveling? Food,
Good.
visit places, or visit places?
For me, honestly speaking, men, food.
Kasi hindi na kumain.
Ba't tayo nagpaka-plan?
Bakit? Ako, mine is always gonna be food. Because I love food.
You're always hungry.
Then, visiting places, last na yung OMS. Eme!
Ikaw pa ba? Emin mo.
Kaya nga, Eme, puta ka. Ay, happy birthday, Ma! Ma, birthday mo! Oh my God! Bigay mo kay Francine, Ma. Hindi ikaw may birthday. Ayan na! Ay! Ay, gets! Gets ka! Cheers! Oh my God! Fatima, kumuha ka. Okay, go na tayo mga bakla. Cheers muna tayo. Mamaya pa ba? I go pa. Mabunog ka, Ken. Tama, mabunog ka, Ken. Ang cute. I go fire. Ang sana yung nag-aano ng pizza? O dapat kasi nga, cheers na natin kanina pa. O, cheers na, me. Cheers! Mga ate ko. Happy birthday, Aika and Francine. Love you, girls. Love the life. Ay, paitar. So this is the tiramisu, and that's the crazy cake made with love and made in front of you.
Oh my God!
Ayan na! Happy birthday, Ma'am si Aika! Oh my God! To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Eksena! Ah! Buya! May ano. Bongga! Pasabog ang pa-birthday, ma. Tiramisu and crazy cake. Picturean mo siya. So, taste test kung gaano ba talaga kasarap ang homemade cake tiramisu. They're saying that this is the best way how you do it. So, it's real coffee with biscotti. Tapos talagang dinip talaga sa coffee din.
Yes, espresso.
And then with the cream. And tagalin mo na tumingin, baho yan.
Ito lang pwede sa akin.
And this, the crazy cake, ay ang init ma. The crazy cake is with Nutella.
Ayoko ng
Very good, Bono.
madre mia.
Ay!
Meron pa.
Meron. Pero iba pa rin sa tunay.
Ito bang tuna?
Oo, dito yung galing. Pati yung Greek na basagan ng plato. Ginawa namin sa Mexico yun. Yung basagan ng plato kami nila Chelsea. Ayan na. O, go! Kilikilam. Mga yung akin. Kilikilam.